While it may not seem like much to the untrained eye, this little canal right here is actually teeming with wildlife of all kinds. During springtime, watery habitats like these are the most prolific breeding ground for amphibians and small water bugs. Let's see what types of animals we can find here today. Now this might look like debris to you, but these little things right here are the little houses that larva makes out of debris found in the water. Could be plant matter, could be rocks, could be even shells from other water bugs. Now let's take a closer look at them. Right here is actually a habitat full of wildlife. We have insects, amphibians, reptiles, everything you can ask for. And since spring is here, they're all active and they're all in their breeding period. So let's not talk more than is necessary and let's take a look at all these marvelous animals. The reason it's so calm is because it's still cold outside and it doesn't have the usual vitality that lizards have. So it is the perfect weather to film them up close, as they won't get scared and they won't run away. This one is a common field lizard, but don't let that distract you from the fact that it is a beautiful animal and it is a privilege to be able to see it up close. Let's keep moving. As soon as the temperature started climbing, the frogs took advantage of this and started to breed. Now what you may not know is that you can tell the type of frog just by looking at its spawn. This type of clustered around eggs surrounded by a gel are actually the spawn of lake frogs of the genera Pelophylax and Rana. Toad spawn, on the other hand, looks completely different. Unlike these lake frogs, toads don't have their spawn clustered around like this, but rather in long strings. So the next time you see frog spawn in your trips, you're going to know what kind they are and impress your friends. Now, if you're cool enough to have friends that would be impressed by such knowledge, you're cool in my book.